Now let's learn none of my business and none of your business in Chinese. None of my business. 不关我的事。不关我的事。None of my business. 不关我的事。You can also say 关我屁事。But it's a little kind of rudeness if you say 关我屁事。关我屁事。It's none of my business. None of your business. 不关你的事。关你的事。不关你的事。You can also say 关你屁事。关你屁事。None of my business. 不关我的事。不关我的事。关我屁事。None of your business. 不关你的事。不关你的事。关你屁事。关你屁事。